Crazy Circuits is a complete system of electronics components, ranging from simple buttons and LEDs up to pre-programmed chips and programmable microcontrollers, helping you learn the basics all the way up to custom robotics. Let's take a look at how to use the basics of this system. Crazy Circuits components are durable, reusable, and versatile. They work with Lego and conductive tape. The large holes are perfect for sewing with conductive thread and easily fit alligator clip test leads. Because Crazy Circuits is Lego compatible, we'll just use a Lego plate as our circuit board. You'll notice that components go easily onto Lego and can be moved and repositioned. We'll connect the components with MakerTape. MakerTape is adhesive and conductive, and it's conductive from top to bottom, so you can connect circuits just by overlapping tape. Let's lay out a simple circuit. We'll need a power source, a load, and a conductor to complete the circuit. For our power source, we're using a 3-volt lithium battery and holder. Notice that the holder is marked with polarity, positive and negative. The positive is a solid color, and the negative is white. All Crazy Circuits components have the negative marked in white. While polarity doesn't matter for some parts, it's very important for parts like batteries and LEDs. To start, we'll just lay out our parts on the board. That way, we know where we need our conductive tape and how long it needs to be. Cut some MakerTape and place it on the board. You want to make sure that the ends of the tape go up one side and onto the Lego dot. This provides for the correct fit of components. If you go all the way over the dot, it may be too tight and the component might not fit all the way down into place. Now let's place our power source, the battery, and connect it to the load, the LED, making sure to observe polarity. Once all the components are in place, the circuit is complete and the LED lights up. If we want to add another LED, we can connect it in parallel. Simply add more tape and connect another LED just like the first. If we don't want the LEDs to always be on, we could add a button or switch. This spring-loaded push button completes the circuit only as long as it's held down. We'll just trim the MakerTape and put the switch in series with one of the LEDs. Now it only lights up while pressing the button. You can also use a switch to control your circuit. We'll run battery positive to the center connection and one of the outside connections to an LED. The switch now acts as a power on-off switch. If we add another LED to the other outside connection, it becomes an AB switch, routing power to one LED or the other. For some fun lighting effects, we can use the pre-programmed blink fade board. Just connect power to the positive and negative of the board. Then connect an LED's positive to one of the numbered pins and its negative to the common negative ground. The LED will blink or fade depending on which number connection it's hooked up to. Numbers 3 and 4 blink alternating with each other, which can be fun for emergency vehicles. Once you've mastered some basic circuits, try making a few of your own, or check out our free tutorials. The Crazy Circuits electronic system. Check out more at crazycircuits.com.